Okay, welcome. Now, there's another session. In this session, we want to discuss about two-way maneuver. Yesterday, we have discussed about one-way maneuver, one-way multivariate analysis variants. I am your course coordinator, Dr. Shivakumar A, FCMA, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Sri Nilakanda Government Sanskrit College, Patambi, Palakkad District, Kerala. I am a fellow member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Besides, I am an approved PhD guide of the Calicut University. Okay, I may share my screen to you. Okay, share. This is my SPSS screen. I have already inserted the values here in my SPSS screen. You can see the values. I have already inserted the values. Okay. As far as two-way maneuver is concerned, first you have to insert the variables, then data, then analyze the interpretation. Certainly, you have to write the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. As we know, there are certain mandatory conditions or assumptions related with the two-way maneuver. Certainly, we will discuss about those mandatory conditions or assumptions in another session. Now we just want to understand how can we perform two-way maneuver with the help of SPSS software. Okay. What is the specialty of two-way maneuver? Then first, two dependent variables needed. At least two dependent variables. I may repeat the word again. At least two. That means number of dependent variable may be 2 or any number greater than 2. At least two dependent variable needed. Then another one, at least two independent variables needed. I may repeat the word again, two. That means number of independent variable may be any number, that may be 2 or any number greater than 2 categorical independent variables needed. That is a specialty of two-way maneuver. If you have considered two dependent variable and two categorical independent variable, then you can analyze your data using two-way maneuver with the help of SPSS software. Okay, then this is a very famous example to you. I may read the question, then we may analyze the question and conduct two-way maneuver with the help of SPSS software. I may read the question. Consider an experiment where three teaching methods were followed in school. Teaching methods, you can see I have entered a variable there, teaching method. It is a independent variable, teacher method. I have already typed the variable teacher method, the label teacher method. Then it is an independent variable. Then you can see nominal variable. If the variable is nominal, certainly you have to give the values teacher methods. You can see the values here. Three type of teacher method. One is regular. Second is rote. Rote means memorizing model of teacher method. Then third, reasoning, logical reasoning. Three type of teacher method. I have entered the this is an independent variable teacher methods. First, one independent variable. In case of two-way maneuver, at least two independent variables needed. I may read the question again. Consider an experiment where three teacher methods were followed in schools. The three teaching methods were called regular, odd, and reasoning. The researchers wanted to know whether the effect of the three teaching methods on students. That is the question. I may read the question again. The researchers wanted to know whether the effect of the three teaching methods on students' grades. Effect of three teaching methods on students' grades. Then there's a dependent variable, result variable, that is grades, students' grade. Here I have entered two dependent variable. First, humanities score. Second, science score. You can see there, I have already entered humanities score and science score. Dependent variable should be measured in scale measurement. You can see the scale. Independent variable should be measured with the help of either ordinal scale or nominal scale. Then I may read the question again. The researchers wanted to know whether the effect of the three teacher methods, here one independent variable, on students' grades, two dependent variable. Okay. Then one more independent variable is needed. I may continue the question. I may continue the question. I may continue the question. The researchers wanted to know whether the effects of the three teaching methods on students' grades in these two subjects, science and humanities, were different based on students' gender. That is another independent variable, students' gender. Here you can see another independent variable, that is gender. I have already inserted gender, label, gender. Then nominal scale. If it is a nominal scale, certainly you have to give the values. Here you can see the values. 1 male, 2 female, no doubt about it. Okay. Then okay. Then the question is completed. I have already inserted the variable name in the variable menu. Then data menu, you can see the data. Then we may think about the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. What is the null hypothesis? If the word no is included, it is null hypothesis. If no word is omitted, then alternative hypothesis. I may read the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis. There is no statistically interaction effect between gender and type of intervention on the combined dependent variables. Then alternative hypothesis. There is a statistically interaction effect between gender and type of intervention on the combined dependent variables. This is the alternative hypothesis. Then gender values, you can see 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Then teaching methods 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, again 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Humanities score 85, 78, 89, 98, 85, 78, 82, 83, 84, 85. Then science score 89, 78, 95, 78, 74, 88, 85, 78, 77, and 76. Okay. Then how can we conduct? How can we conduct two-way ANOVA? How can we conduct two-way ANOVA? Analyze. Take analyze. Then general linear model. Multivariate. Then I have already entered the variables. You can see dependent variables. You have to enter. Humanities score, science score, independent variable, gender, teacher method. Okay. Then in plots, you do not do anything. Take plots, then just click continue. take options, just click continue. You may tick descriptive statistics and continue. Then okay. Just enough. That is enough. That is enough. That is enough. Then you will get the result. I may share the screen to you. Most important one is multivariate test. That is the most important table. I may share the screen to you. Stop share. Stop share. I may again share the screen. Result screen. Result screen to you. Share. Okay. This is the result screen. Is visible before you. I think it is visible before you. I think it is visible before you. Yes, 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 yes. There are so many tables available, but the most important one, so many tables between subject factors, descriptive statistics, but the most important one, your interpretation is based on multivariate test table. Your interpretation is based on multivariate test table. Multivariate test table. Your interpretation is based on multivariate test table. In multivariate test table, please see the box gender versus teacher method. In gender versus teacher method box, you can see the parameter. That parameter is Wilks lambda. You can see the parameter. That parameter is Wilks lambda. Please see the SIG value. The SIG value is otherwise known as P value. Please see the SIG value. I think the SIG value. I think the SIG value here is. I think the SIG value here is. Please wait. Please wait. I must share the screen again to you. Stop share. Here SIG value. Please type the SIG value. Share. I may type the screen again to you. Okay, here you can see the SIG value. Please wait. Please wait, 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 wait. Yes, here SIG value, I think it is 0.727 SIG value. Please see the gender versus teacher methods and see the SIG value. Here SIG value is 0.727. That SIG value is known as P value. That P value is greater than 0.05. Then researcher cannot reject the null hypothesis. That means researcher has to accept the null hypothesis. Then what was the null hypothesis? There is no statistically interaction effect between gender and type of intervention on the combined dependent variables. That is the null hypothesis. You have to simply accept the null hypothesis. That is the interpretation two-way maneuver. Okay, we may see again on yesterday. Okay, I am signing off here. Thank you.